Well, welcome to Kaveri Hostel, guys. This is the look from outside. It's a pretty big hostel. Let's go inside. Let's go to right wing first. This in the front facility. This is the first floor, and you can see that room with the flag. That's my room. Bathrooms are at the corner, both the corners, left and right. And this is the common area. Everyone can use it. It's a common room, but it's not very good, so we don't usually use it. The left wing is also pretty much similar to it. There's nothing to show there. This is also a common area. You can use it for birthday parties and everything. Now let me show you the roof. You can see how much greenery here it is. That's the water tank. Well, let me go up this ladder and then I'll... Well guys, I'm at the top of Kaveri Hostel now. You can see the view. It's so mesmerizing here. That building that you can see right there, that's the central library. See the beautiful view here. Well, we have solar power here. Solar panels, they charge and heat up the water here, the geyser water that we get. Kaveri Hostel is one of the oldest hostels in JNU. Well, there are Jhelum Hostel, Periyar Hostel, Godavari Hostel. Godavari is for girls, and these are like in the mid campus, and these are old hostels. The different campuses hostels, if you have to go to like the Damodar Hostel or the Chandrabhaga Hostel, those hostels are at the end of JNU at one corner, and they are newly built, so there you will find some better facilities. But since they are so far away from the classes and from the buildings, from the central library also, it becomes quite difficult to access those facilities here. Well guys, let's go to the left wing. Here is the water cooler. It's pretty much similar to the right one. Let me give you my room too. Well, welcome to my room. This is the entrance. Now let me show you the beds. This is my roommate's bed and that is my bed. Only 2 beds were provided to us. Rest, everything, pillow, cushions, everything you'll have to buy on your own. These are some of the maps of world, map of India. My roommate is actually preparing for UPSC Civil Services, so he likes to stick quite a lot of maps on the walls. This is a bookshelf. This bookshelf you'll find in every room of every hostel of JNU. That is a wall clock, and guys, this is my study table and my study chair. This chair we got on our own. The chair that hostel provides are made up of steel, so we didn't find it very useful. That's why we threw that out and got one for ourselves. And this study table is provided by the hostel. I like to keep my study table quite clean. See, my laptop, my book, and my lamp and everything. And this is a cupboard. Only one cupboard is provided in every room. So me and my roommates both share this cupboard. And behind this door there's a balcony, but right now it's night and it's quite dark outside, so you can't see anything. I promise I'll show you when it's get morning. And this is some design that me and my roommate came up with. These are some Chinese fans and then, you know, peacock feathers and everything. So yeah, it looks pretty good, pretty decent, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. It's a small room. If you get a chance to take admission in engineering, then you'll get Damodar Hostel rooms. Damodar Hostel are quite big than this. But in mid-campus, rooms are pretty much the same. It's a small room, see? The condition of the walls and these cupboards, etc. was quite bad, so me and my roommate had to work a little bit. And see, even the floor wasn't good, so but we got it fixed. That's not a concern right now. Okay guys, so it's morning now, and this is the balcony that I was talking about. So I've kept a table chair here if you want to study in the sun or something like that. And this is the view from my balcony. There you can see it. That's the mess. And well, the morning time and the evening time are quite good, quite pleasant here. My room is on the first floor actually, so